A lot of you are needed here. You can see that these are recent jobs. All these jobs just posted yesterday, so you can see that the process has begun. This is serious and this is real. This is hot. These employers were just approved for the RCIP and they are listing the job openings they have. Guys, I hope you're seeing what I'm saying. Good news, guys. Thunder Bay has just released 24 designated employers that are eligible to bring you into this amazing small city located in the northwestern Ontario. We are still on the Rural Community Immigration Pilot Program. We have to get to the root of this matter because you've got to move to Canada with your family as a permanent resident in 2025. Thunder Bay has finally opened the application process for the Rural Community Immigration Pilot Program, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the list of the 24 designated employers, and I'm going to take you through how you can start reaching out to these employers in order for you to take advantage of this program to move to Canada in 2025. So guys, for the eligibility criteria and everything you need to know about the Rural Community Immigration Pilot Program, please watch this video linked up here if you are getting to know about this program for the first time, because the eligibility requirements, the application process is more or less the same for the 18 designated communities, but you can just see a little difference between the labor shortage this particular community is having to the labor shortage another community is having. So if you cannot find your occupation on the in-demand list for a particular rural community, you might be able to find it in the labor need of another community. So that's the beauty of it. You have about 18 communities, and that's why I'm bringing you updates for the communities. So guys, let me quickly run through the eligible sectors for this particular community. So for Thunder Bay, this is the eligible sectors and occupations: business and finance administration, healthcare, education, law, social, community and government services, sales and service, and trades, transport and equipment operators, and related occupations. Now let's run through the occupations that are needed under this broad sector. For Thunder Bay, under business, finance and administration occupations, they are in need of administrative assistants, financial advisors, general office support workers, the kinesiologist, and other professional occupations in therapy and assessment. I hope I called that right. Licensed practical nurses, nurse aides, orderlies, and patient service associates, pharmacy technical assistants and pharmacy assistants, registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses. Then under the education, law and social community, we have the early childhood educators and assistants, home support workers, caregivers and related occupations, social and community service workers, therapists in counseling and related specialized therapies. Then under this sector, sales and service, we have cooks, we have full counter attendants, kitchen helpers and related support occupations, food service supervisors, light duty cleaners, retail and wholesale trade managers, retail sales supervisors, retail salespersons and visual merchandisers, store shelf stockers, clerks and other filers. We have automotive service technician, truck and bus mechanics and mechanical engineer. So under trade transport equipment, we have the construction millwrights and industrial mechanics. We have construction trades helpers and laborers, heavy equipment operators. So guys, these are the eligible occupations. Now let's check out the list of the designated employers, and I'm also going to show you how you can start sending your applications to them. So if you are yet to like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It encourages me to bring more videos to you. And please, if you're new here, please do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you will not miss updates like this. Do well to share with your friends and family, and don't forget to drop your comments and questions if you have any. So guys, you can see the designated employers at the right side of the screen. There are 24 of them, and this list will be updated on an ongoing basis. So if you cannot find an employer, more employers will indicate their interest and they will be added up to this list. We have the Lakehead Roofing and Metal Cladding Limited, Altis Grocery, Clara Industrial Services Limited, Inspire Cabinetry and Granite Incorporation, Wasi Restaurants, Doris Limited, we have Outlaws Burgers and of Spices, we have Casper Bus Lines, we have Village Market, we have Shelter House, Golden Work, Thunder Maple Asian Food Company, we have the SLR Contracting Corporation, Canada Incorporation Circle K, we have Ontario Incorporation Circle K, we have the JK Hess Enterprises Diamond Taxi, we have Spadoni Leasing Limited, we have the Northern Turf Equipment, Shoppers Drop Mart, we have Scott Family Dental, with Mamowen Family Development Center, Great Canadian Oil Change, we have Work Mexi Grill. So guys, how do we apply? How do we reach out to these employers is the next thing I would like to show you. So let's begin from the very first one, which is the Lakehead Roofing and Metal Cladding Limited. So you're going to copy the name of the organization. The first thing you want to do is to come to their page and see what this company is all about, what they do. So you can see this particular organization is into roofing replacement, roof repair, siding, gutters and all of that. So you want to check their career page. You can find their career page right at the menu button. That's the 3 lines there. But for this organization, they don't have a career page where they post their jobs. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go on your browser and you're going to type the name of the company and you're going to add careers or jobs. It's going to bring you to the job postings they already have on websites like Indeed Canada and Glassdoor. You can see their job openings here, Workopolis and all of that. Ensure that the job opening you're applying to is located in this community. So guys, let's check the career page of Shoppers Drop Mart. This is their career page. You can see 1,136 jobs found and they are recent jobs. You can see that this was just posted today. So if you're a pharmacist, of course this is a drug mart like a pharmacy store. So if you're a pharmacy assistant, you can apply. Beauty specialist, pharmacist, cashier, regulated pharmacy technician, pharmacist, pharmacy assistant, pharmacy assistant. So a lot of you are needed here. You can see that these are recent jobs. All these jobs just posted yesterday, so you can see that the process has begun. So guys, don't sleep on this. Get your resume ready guys and start applying to these jobs, whichever one you qualify for. Beauty manager and all of that, you can see a lot of it just posted yesterday, so you know that this is serious and this is real, this is hot. These employers were just approved for the RCIP and they are listing the job openings they have. Guys, I hope you're seeing what I'm saying. Don't sleep on this. Start sending your resume to them. So you want to go check the other list of the employers to see whichever one that is willing to hire you guys. And just to let you know that between yesterday and today, 11 other employers has been added to the list. So from 26 it has moved to 37. That means they are just being added. So it is fresh, it is hot, it is new. I want to see a lot of people on my channel getting PR through this route because I have done my part. So guys, please get on it. Send your applications to Thunder Bay and I wish you the best of luck in your application. Till I see you in my next video.